Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have for you my Christmas haul. I am so excited. I know it took me a minute, but there's so much going on. But guys, better late than never, right? So I hope you are ready to see all of the goodies that I got from my daughter, from myself, from Scott. I have a little bit of everything here. So I am hoping you will get a few good ideas of things to add to your wish list as well. If you are new to the channel, I am Erica from Ericasgirlyworld. Welcome. If you love luxury, shopping, travel, you came to the right place. I hope you love it enough to subscribe. So guys, let's get started with this video because I have some ground to cover. First of all, I want to say thank you to Scarlet for sponsoring this video. If you haven't heard of Scarlet, they are a high performance, high quality makeup brand that's really taking it to the next level and really taking the boredom out of clean beauty. They're vegan, they're cruelty free. I have a couple things that I want to show you today, and I actually didn't even complete my makeup routine because I wanted to finish right here so you can see what they look like on, because you will see these are not just like everything you see out there on the market right now. Okay, boo? The first two that I want to talk about are the mistake-proof bronzer and blusher. Now, here's the deal with these babies, okay? If you were to put a red carpet makeup artist with an airbrush machine inside a bottle, this would be it, okay? These are so easy to apply because they are a mist. Hence the name mistake-proof. Get it? Okay? So I'm going to show you how to apply these. I'm going to start with the bronzer. You have to shake it really well. So I'm going to use my brush right here from Scarlet. That is a dual brush. And then you can apply this directly onto the brush, or you can use a makeup sponge, whatever you prefer. Right here. There you go. I'm going to apply it at the top of my forehead. Check that out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. I ain't no Jeffree Star, baby. If I got this right, you know you will too, okay? So for my cheek, I'm gonna apply it on my hand. Ooh, check that out. I'm actually gonna blend it a little bit, and then I'm gonna come directly on my cheeks. Blend it nice and slowly. I like to bring it up a little bit, kind of blend in with the rest. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hope you can see what I'm doing. It kind of brings a little bit of warmth, right? Now, let me show you the next one, which is the blush. All right, so the blush is called Brazen. How gorgeous is that, guys? Okay, so again, I'm gonna pick it up from my hand. I like to do it in my hand because then I control it better, the amount that's gonna go in my face. And then I'm gonna put it kind of like on top of where the bronzer is, just kind of directing more upwards. Oh my God, is this a flawless finish or what? 47 going on 32, baby. Wow, right? And the blush comes in 6 shades, guys. Next, I want to talk to you about the 3-way solid lip oils. Look at the swatches for the colors that I got. It's called 3-way because you get the nourishing hydration of an oil, and then you get the bang and the impact of a lip color, and then you also get the crazy shine from a gloss. It is unlike anything that I have tried before, and I am not kidding you guys. You better be ready. You ready? Check this out. Oh my gosh. It's like putting butter on your lips. I am not kidding you. The shine on this is absolutely next level. Scarlet was kind enough to give me a coupon code for a 20% off discount for my subscribers. So check in the description box below. And guys, you have to go check it out. And I'm not making any commission on the sales of this product. This is just so they can track my link and the traffic that I'm sending to the site. But I am telling you, this is next level awesome. Now that my makeup is finished and I look like $1,000,000, we can start opening gifts. So guys, I'm gonna start with the gifts that my daughter gave me for this year. And you know, my daughter's gifts are always very special to me because my daughter doesn't make money. You know, she uses her little bit of her hard-earned money to buy me gifts for Christmas. So I have to show you because they are just special. You know, I think amazing gifts are not just expensive ones. I think the best gifts are the thoughtful gifts, right? So I'm gonna show you what she bought for me this year. First of all, she got me this glass, and I'm gonna tell you the story behind this glass, but this is from Anthropology. I saw this glass with all of the cute little candy canes all around the top. Look at this with the cute little dogs. I just absolutely fell in love. And there is a thing going on between my daughter and I, because she will pick up a glass of water and leave on the counter, and sometimes my glass will mix with hers, and I will steal her glass to drink water, and she gets so mad. And then I'll leave like my lipstick on it. So like it's been kind of like a rift raft between us for a while. So she got me this, and she's like, Mom, now there is no way you're gonna confuse your glass with mine, okay? Now you can have your glass of water and never touch mine ever again. So maybe this was like a self-serving gift, probably, but hey, I love it. And then the next thing that she gave me was a poetry book called Swimming Lessons for me to put on my table, on my closet. And it has like just these random poems, you know, that you open the page and then you read something good and beautiful that makes you feel good. And I feel there's so much going on in the world nowadays that I'm really welcoming anything that brings me peace of mind and positivity for my day, right? And then the last thing she gave me was this little set of soaps, because I have an addiction to soaps. I don't know what to tell you, okay? So check this out. Oh, how cute are they? They came in the cutest little box. I put this in my tub, in my bathroom. So adorable. I am a person that I am all about scents. So soaps, perfume, fragrance, sachet, anything like that is right up my alley, right? Next, let me show you what my sister gave me. My sister gave me a set of champagne flutes. And as you can tell, they are very big. I'm gonna compare these for you to see with a regular size champagne flute. You guys know I'm all about my champagne. I am bougie, what can I say, okay? So she said, I wanted to give you something for your home. I am all about decorating my home right now. You guys know I've been in this saga for like a year or so now. And she said, I wanted to give you something for your home. You already have everything in terms of fashion. So I wanted to give you something different. And she said, when I saw this, totally bougie, totally you. So check this out. Let me compare this. This is a regular champagne flute, and this is the champagne flute that she gave me, okay? You just feel like $1,000,000, man, you know? If you put your bubbly in here, this thing is like so big. Look at that. You're sipping in the pool. I mean, I'm feeling myself. I could be home in my pajamas looking like a nightmare, and then I pour a glass of champagne in this bougie glass, and I feel like I'm in Paris. You know what I mean? It is all up in your head, guys. I was joking with her that the glass is almost as big as my ego. She was laughing. She was like, oh my God, so you, right? But if you are interested, these are from Z Gallery. I showed them on my Instagram and people went absolutely bananas over them. The only thing you have to think about is storing them is a pain in the butt. They do not fit in the regular size cabinet. I actually put it in one of my bottom cabinets, but I just love it. I thought it was the coolest gift ever. Next thing I have to show you is from Dior. Look how beautiful the Christmas packaging for Dior is. Life this year, guys, okay? And I got this from a dear friend that works at Dior in Miami. Her name is Priscilla, and she's the most beautiful, kindest, fun person in the world. I talk to her on Instagram all the time. We send each other jokes. I love it. Like we are in touch all the time. So check this out. So let me open it up. Look at this. She got me the Dior notebook. Oh my gosh. It says Dior right here at the bottom. And I think this is so beautiful to put on your coffee table, on your nightstand by your bed, brings a touch of sophistication to your house, right? When I saw this, I was so excited. Thank you, Priscilla. This is right up my alley. I have Dior stuff all throughout my house. I have Dior vases, I have Dior catalogs, Dior magazines, just because I think their stuff is the most aesthetic stuff out there. Better than Chanel, better than Hermes. Their magazines and their catalogs, they just look beautiful. You put a vase of flowers on your coffee table, you put a Dior magazine, and you look like you are in Architectural Digest. Next, we're gonna talk Bottega. Okay, I have a slight Bottega addiction at the moment. I have many addictions, and Bottega shoes are at the top right now. So let's unbox this together. So there you go. I got myself the Bottega beige square mules which I have been wanting. These are classic shoes in my opinion. I use my white Bottega sandals to death. If you follow me on Instagram, you're probably tired of seeing them. So when I get something like this that I wear all the time, I just like to get more. I feel like this is a color that matches everything. Nowadays, guys, I don't go out at night as much. My going out is during the day. Miami, brunch with my friends, going to a fancy restaurant, dinner at the most, okay? But most of the time, I'm going out during the day, and I feel like these are shoes that will keep you nice and dressy and put together and stylish, that are still comfortable, because they are super comfortable. So there you go. I am so excited. There is like 4 other shoes from Bottega that I want right now. It's absolutely insane. Next, I'm gonna show you from Tiffany's. This was also a gift from me to me for my house. Dun-dun-dun. Check this out. How beautiful are these from Tiffany, guys? Oh my gosh, look at this. This is inspired by the paper cups that they have at the store. Obviously, this is bone china. Absolutely gorgeous, but what a gorgeous touch for your coffee bar, your table. How beautiful to put this on your vanity or your bathroom with your makeup brushes inside. I mean, this again adds a touch of sophistication to any spot. Like for me, I'm gonna use them on my coffee bar. I have a very prized coffee bar that I have made a video about, that I keep a bunch of super cool stuff, you know, so you can make your fancy coffee every morning. And these are gonna be my coffee cups. I am so excited. Guys, these were like $140, I wanna say. The price wasn't bad at all. For $100 and something bucks, you can make your vanity look like $1 million, make your bathroom look like $1 million. I mean, really, sky's the limit, my friends. Next, I have another pair of shoes from a brand called Jessica Rich. In case you haven't heard of Jessica Rich before, she actually makes a pair of transparent shoes, mules, that Kylie Jenner wore on a Halloween party where she was dressed as the Little Mermaid. And that photo was everywhere on social media because she did look incredible. So I got these party sandals from them. I mean, look at this. Oh my God, oh my God. So Jessica Rich sandals to me, and I have to show you, they are absolutely incredible. Check this out. Oh my gosh, they look so beautiful, so sexy on your feet. Look at this heel, this is metal. Okay, look at this finish right here, metal. And then my favorite part of the shoe is just this pointy toe, because I feel like your toes kind of come up to here, and then this is kind of like empty, and for some reason I think that this is so sexy. Next is something I actually bought for my daughter, but I want to show you because I think some of you might want this. My daughter saw this and was obsessed from the very first moment she saw it. And they are these super cute Gucci rubber slides. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. Check this out. Can you tell it says Gucci right there? They have this in many, many different colors for walking around town and looking super cute and put together again. Super comfortable. And the price on this, I think, is like $320, guys. So not the price of a regular Gucci shoe that costs like $1,000, right? So you get the Gucci bang without paying a fortune. And I think this, you can wear this for beach, for pool, shopping, brunch with your friends, out on the town. They have them in pink, light blue, light green, all really pretty baby colors. I saw them, I was like, okay, this is Crystal. She had to try them on, so I got it for her. She deserves it. She's a good girl. Now for the piece de resistance, we have some Van Cleef, baby. You guys knew Van Cleef was on my list for Christmas, right? I mean, you had to know. This year for me, I shouldn't say this year, 2020 for me was all about jewelry. I told you guys I was gonna stop buying fashion jewelry and I was gonna focus on buying real jewelry, real investment for my wardrobe, and I am so proud that I followed through, okay? So, this is actually a gift from Scott. This is the receipt. This is kind of like the little booklet. You know, it comes with like an authenticity certificate. I was dying to unbox this so I can finally wear it. This has been sitting here. You know, when you're a YouTuber, you buy things and you gotta keep them in the box until you have time to film. I've been dying to unbox this so I can finally use it. Go. Hello. Oh my gosh, I got myself an onyx Alhambra bracelet. So look, you can remove this little black thing like so. There's a little elastic right here. So you know I bought the mother of pearl, right? The white one for Scott actually gave it to me for my birthday. So now I wanted a second piece to stack with my mother of pearl, and now I have it. Check it out. This was a tough decision, man. If you watched my Van Cleef video, you saw that I tried a million bracelets. You know, some people were telling me to buy the blue one, some people were telling me to buy the all gold one. In the end, I decided to go with all black. Since I bought my white one, I don't take it off. That's the benefit of jewelry, because it matches everything. It's a gift that you don't wear just sometimes or with a certain outfit, with a certain pair of shoes, you know, like a bag. Jewelry goes with everything. Like this could be your everyday jewelry. This could be your going out jewelry. So my white one, and I got the earrings too, if you guys remember, has become a staple of my wardrobe. And that made me so happy, because when I invest money in something that I get lots of wear out of, I feel reward. You know, I feel like, man, that was a good purchase, that was money well spent, and that made me want to buy more, you know, because you can keep stacking them and wearing them all the time, right? So what do you think, guys, of my new baby? I am so excited. I'm gonna continue to build my stack, because I feel, man, when you walk in Van Cleef, you just look like $1 million. I prefer Van Cleef over Cartier. There are pieces from Cartier that I really, really love. I love the Justin Clou. That is on my list for sure. But Van Cleef for me is number one. I don't know what to tell you. It is a 100% personal preference, but I feel like VCA for me is like, you arrived. You know what I mean? So guys, this is it for my haul. I want to know what you got for Christmas. Let me know your number one gift that you got for Christmas this year that you absolutely love. What is your focus going to be for 2021? Like, what are you going to be buying? I want to know. Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to go in the description box and check out Deck of Scarlet and take advantage of my coupon code for 20% off your next purchase. Happy New Year. Wishing you lots of love, health, and happiness and success. May all your wishes come true this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.